Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change a name in a Prime Video on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe on the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Prime Video applications, and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. So if you want to change your name in Prime Video, just go ahead to this My Stuff option at the bottom. Now go ahead to this option which is your profile's name, Melia, my name, and now tap on Edit Profile. Now go ahead to this pencil icon at my name's account. After, as you can see, this is my name, guys, on my Prime Videos account. So if you want to change it, I'm gonna erase it first for my first name, and I'm gonna change it to the new one. And if you're done like this, just tap on this stuff button at the bottom. And yeah, as you can see, for my name on my account is already changed, guys, from Melia to Melly. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.